The process of creating heart-based hospitality also makes the employees happier. One of the ways in which this can be done is by teaching the employees how to send loving energy with the intention of making others, in particular the guests, feel happier. And when you send love energy, you change your own energy and you feel happier. And the effect of sending the energy can be measured and photographed with the right kind of equipment. Loving energy can be sent to change the energy of guest facilities so that they feel more pleasant to be in. It can also be sent to condition the energy of guest rooms and to increase the energetic vibration of the whole property. In the future, sending loving energy and conditioning spaces according to an intention will be normal in hotels. This aspect of energy has been well researched scientifically, but because the hotel industry is still clinging stubbornly to the old-style SOP customer satisfaction concept and its outdated worldview, hotels have not taken advantage of the science. Another benefit of heart-based hospitality is that the spirit of love, kindness, compassion and care can grow and be increased continuously. The spirit of heart-based hospitality grows as you develop the spiritual capacity of the employees. And the more you deepen them in loving kindness and compassion and heartwarming care, the more these core values affect their behavior and thinking. And there is no limit to loving kindness, compassion and care. And so the spirit of heart-based hospitality can become stronger continuously. At the same time, as you develop the employee's spiritual capacity, their heart coherence increases. And this increases the energy vibration of the employees and of the hotel. And one of the benefits of increasing the heart coherence of the employees is that they become more intuitive about the feelings and needs of the guests, because intuition is a power of the heart. And as you increase heart coherence, the power of intuition develops too. This was developed by the organization called HeartMath in California, which has carried out research into heart energy for over 25 years. And of course, this can be used to the benefit of the hotel business. Another benefit of creating heart-based hospitality is that the employees become more tender-hearted. As the energy of the employees changes, and as their spiritual capacity is developed by deepening them in loving kindness, compassion and heartwarming care, they become kinder, more loving and more compassionate, and the desire to make the guests happier grows. Their body language changes as they soften, and their eyes become softer, and they find it easier to smile. The employees are gradually transformed, and they become happier. And the more the employees put into practice a central theme of heart-based hospitality, that all that matters is how much love you show in your life and how many people's hearts you touch, the happier they become. And this affects how they go about their work and also the hospitality they provide to the guests. Another benefit of developing heart-based hospitality is that the employees become more compassionate towards each other and towards the guests, and the spirit of compassion grows in the hotel. And this results not only from the process of developing spiritual capacity, but also from the use of certain meditations, which have the effect of making you want to show compassion to others. And one of the effects of this is hospitality which is strong in loving kindness and compassion, and where the employees think thoughts such as, where is there an opportunity to make someone happy? Or, who needs some kindness and compassion now? Or, whose heart can I touch now? An important feature of the process of creating heart-based hospitality is that there is a system for increasing the spirit of heart-based hospitality throughout the hotel continuously, and this system is called the 11 elements. Now, the 11 Elements is a name for a range of supporting human resources and leadership activities and systems which ensure that the employees are deepened continuously in the three essential core values of genuine hospitality, namely loving kindness, compassion, and heartwarming care, and that the leaders and trainers infuse their planning, training, coaching, and general leadership activities with these core values. Heart-based hospitality is the future of hospitality. Unfortunately, though, because the hotel industry has been stuck in the rut of tradition for several decades now regarding the guest experience concept of SOP, customer satisfaction, I can't see the industry accepting the spiritual and energetic concept of heart-based hospitality for many more years, perhaps for another generation. There are clear financial rewards for hotels of creating heart-based hospitality. Heart-based hospitality is for hotels which can see that something fundamental is lacking in the SOP, customer satisfaction kind of guest experience. The future of hospitality lies in being able to create energetic hospitality and to develop the spiritual capacity of the employees to infuse their hospitality with loving kindness, compassion, and heartwarming care, while providing high standards. To sum up, here are the main benefits for a hotel of creating heart-based hospitality. Heart-based hospitality meets the unspoken need of human beings to be loved, to be shown kindness, to be understood, and to be shown compassion, and to be cared for continuously. People are attracted to hotels which can meet those needs. The process of developing spiritual capacity of the employees and of increasing their heart coherence opens the hearts of the employees. It enables them to become their authentic, loving selves more and more. They become happier, and it increases their desire to make the guest happier without having to be told to do so. The process affects the energetic feeling of the employees and of the property, and this in turn affects the feelings of the guests. Both the employees and the guests are happier in a heart-based hospitality environment. In addition to using energy techniques to raise the energetic vibration of the employees, energy techniques can be used to change the energetic feeling of the guest rooms and of the property so that they create a feeling of peace in the hearts of the guests. There is no ceiling to hospitality based in loving kindness, compassion, and heartwarming care. And as long as the process of developing spiritual capacity and the use of energy techniques continue in conjunction with the 11 elements, the spirit of love, kindness, compassion, and care will grow. And this will attract customers, and the revenue of the hotel will increase significantly. Thank you very much for your time.